So I broke this piece off like snap-a-rooney. Tried gluing it, that was a joke and a half. Gorilla Glue, not up to snuff. So over here you can see that's where it's busted. That's the actual gear showing through, so you can't just smear a bunch of glue on it. So I drop baling wire. I'm getting pretty good at baling wire. I looped it through, put on a bunch of rubber bands, and yep, it's pitch black, otherwise I'd go out and drive it right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Waiting for parts from China makes you get pretty dang clever. I'm interested to see how this works. Peace. So I put some screws in it, put some rubber bands on it, put some duct tape on it, baling wire. Let's try it out. Now the steering servo won't work.